Welcome to the video tutoring of the Smart Key Box K12. Let's get started. When you receive the packaging, you can see this hello card on the top of the key box. And we take out the key box, open it. You can see there's accessory box in the key box. Now we are going to remove the battery plate with a screwdriver. And then we put AAA batteries into stock. And we put back the battery plate. Now battery is in, so we are ready to operate the key box. First of all, we operate with the admin password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Unlock. We are going to change the initial admin password. And we press and hold N button for 3 beeps. 3. Then we enter initial admin password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Enter. Now we choose the password we want to set as a new admin password, like 989898. Enter. And we enter again 989898. Enter. When you hear the sound, it means the new admin password has been set. And we try the new admin password 989898. Enter. Unlocked. And we check the old one 1 2 3 4 5 6. It gives you red blinks, which means the old one is not working anymore. Now we're going to add user password by press enter 0 enter and enter admin password. And now we enter a new user password like 56 and we enter again. We hear the beep, which means the new user password has been set. And we try with the new user password 56. Unlocked. And now we're going to delete this user password we just set by press enter 2 enter and enter admin password and enter the password we want to delete 56 and enter again. Yep. The sound tells you the user password has been deleted, and we try with it. Yeah, red blinks, which means the user password has been deleted. And now we're going to delete all the passwords we have been set by press enter and 5 zeros. Enter. And give it admin password 989898. Yeah, when you hear the long sound, which means all the passwords we set has been deleted. Now we are going to show you how to use the mobile app. First of all, to run the mobile app and make sure your Bluetooth is on. And now you press enter, 9, enter. And enter the admin password 98. When the blue light is blinking, so we are going to pair the mobile phone with the device by tap the plus sign. And we can see there's device detected. Then we go to add. Yeah, we tap next. Yeah, we have added this device to the mobile app. And we press. Yeah, keybox unlocked. And you can see this sign. When unlocked, it's orange. When it's locked, it will be green. We try again. Unlocked. And locked. And also we try the dynamic code. We tap get dynamic code. And we unlock with this code 553025993. Unlocked. Now we're going to add the online code on the mobile app by tap setting and go to temporary code. Tab one-time password, tab add, and we give a password like 232323, and we name it 232323, and we select the invalid time and confirm and save. And the device will give you green blinks, which means the password has been saved and saved. And we try with this password we just set on our mobile app, which is 232323. Unlocked. Keybox unlocked. Now we're going to add the online period code, which means the code will be available for a period of time, like 1 day, 2 days, or even longer. Tap here, and tap add, and give it a code, like 696969. Name it. Like 69. Select the time and confirm. And save it. Yeah. Now we try this code, which is 69. Keybox unlocked. So now we're going to show you how to set offline codes. And you can see there's no Bluetooth connection here. It says unable to connect to the device. So we go to setting, and temporary, and go to offline password. We tap one-time password, and tap add, get code. Now we try this code, 554 09032 93. Yeah, keybox unlocked. And then we're going to add offline period code. Tab plus. I select time. Confirm and get code. And we try with this code we just generated. 51701672224 and keybox unlocked. Now we are going to set a clear code. The clear code means you'll be clear all the offline codes you have generated. I will tab plus and we clear all. You get a clear code. 0501887666. Check. Yeah. When the green light blinks, all the offline codes have been deleted, so we can try the password we just generated, which is 51701672224. It gives you red blinks, so which means the offline codes we generated have been deleted.